Welcome back to my channel. This is me. I've been changed into the cutest thing in the world. Today I have something special planned. Instead of gaming, I'm going to be doing my other favorite hobby, which is crafting. I'm going to be painting something before my boyfriend gets home so he could be surprised at the upgrade of our apartment. I rearranged the whole apartment while he was gone, and so he's gonna come home to that, and then he's also gonna come home to the special edition. So basically, I am going to be transforming the end table to a crafting table. I'm gonna paint it. I'll insert an image right here of what I want it to look like. Right now it looks very plain. It's next to Petey's little area. He's eating the crumbs. So over here I got the PlayStation going with some non-copyright music. I am going to paint the brown part first. I'm not an experienced painter or anything. Let's get into it.
And get it on there. Okay, there's gotta be a better way. Let me see if I have the paint first.
Alright, I'm back with a better freaking paintbrush. Yeah, more even coverage with this.
Ignore my dank ass apartment. I keep remembering things.
If I was a famous YouTuber, I'd be doing Q&As right now. I could think of some Q&As for myself, I guess. Okay. This is a good question for everyone else. Do you kin Rhett or do you kin Link? Let me know. I think I kin Link. I feel like I got Link energy sometimes. I'll see you guys when the first coat dries. I'm extremely limited on paint colors. Cause look how shit this looks. I'm so pressed. Nothing I do turns out right for some reason. I'm gonna mix this and see if we could do something cool. It looks like shit, and I'm getting like really demotivated. Is this a trust the process moment? Cause I don't know, this sucks. It's looking better. Here's the top. I'm gonna color it in and put details and details and more details. We'll see you after I go in with Le Marque. Here we go, we're gonna put Mod Podge. Put it in here so I can dip my brush in it. And I'm gonna seal it all up except for the top, because when my boyfriend gets here and after he eats dinner, I'm gonna ask if he wants to go to Michael's and pick up a brown marker to fix the grid. But yeah, I think it's looking pretty good now. It's almost looks like a crafting table.